In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to Make. This integration is incredibly useful for automating your workflows and simplifying the process of managing meetings. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Make dashboard. You can do this after you've successfully logged into your Make account. The dashboard is your main hub for managing all your automation needs and accessing various tools and scenarios. Once you're on the dashboard, your next step is to click on the Create Scenario button. This will allow us to set up the automation process that will link Zoom to Make. In the search bar that appears, type in Zoom. This makes it easy for us to find the integration module that we need. Once you've typed in Zoom, you should see it pop up in the list. Click on it to select the Zoom module. This will open up more options related to Zoom integrations. Now it's time to choose the function you'd like to perform with this connection. You're going to want to look for the option that says List All Meetings, although you can also choose any other option that suits your needs. By selecting this option, you enable the integration to pull data about your Zoom meetings into Make, which will be handy for a variety of automation tasks. Once you've chosen the function, the next step is to click on Create a Connection. This will initiate the process of linking your Zoom account with Make so that they can communicate with each other. It might ask you for certain permissions or authorizations, which is standard for apps to function together seamlessly and securely. After creating a connection, remember to hit Save. We don't want to lose any progress we've made so far. This ensures that all the settings we've configured are stored properly within the scenario setup. Now you should see a checkbox option. Click on this checkbox to continue with the authorization process. This is necessary to give Make the appropriate permissions to access your Zoom information and execute tasks on your behalf. Next, you'll need to click on Allow. This step confirms your permission for the integration to function properly. When you authorize Make's access to your Zoom account, you enable automation that helps in efficient meeting management and information synchronization between the platforms. Finally, return to your scenario setup and click on Save Again. This ensures that everything is finalized and ready to go. By doing this, you complete the setup process and your Zoom account is now successfully connected to Make. And there you have it. You've connected Zoom to Make, which will allow you to automate and manage your Zoom meetings with much greater efficiency. Thank you for watching and happy automating.